So today we are going to record about this part 2, advanced startup options, and they're changing topology, size, and types. So the first thing we're going to set up a topology with one switch and 6 hosts. So let's opening a new terminal here, and let's zoom it. So in this step, I'm going to do this. So sudo mn -- tuple and with a single and with six hosts. So let's see what happens. We're gonna enter the code, and here it shows up. We can see this messages here, and then we're gonna check with this 6 host. We're gonna using this h1 from h1 to h3, right? So we're gonna using h1 ping -c1 and h3. So this shows up. We can see the ping here as of it shows up. And then we come to the second part. So set up a linear topology with 6 switches, and each with one host. It's a linear one, so we're gonna exit first. We exit this one and we create a new one. So we're gonna using sudo admin -- tuple linear, and it's a 6, of course. And this is the one that we created. We're gonna using the same things. We're gonna type in with h1. We're gonna check the from host 1 to host 3. So we're gonna type in h1 ping -c 1 h3. We can see this here. So compare with these two things here, we can tell that the linear topology has a longer latency because of the data master travel through the multiple switches and before it reaches the destination host. But our normal topology only have to travel through one switch. That's why. And then we're gonna enter the part B. We're gonna exit. Well, in this part actually, they want us to create an RT set delay for each link to 20 milliseconds. So this is how we do. We're gonna using it's quite interesting. We're gonna using let me think. We're gonna using sudo admin with the link tc and I think the BW equals 10. And the delay we're gonna set for 20 milliseconds. Yeah, we can see this here. What is that? I think this may have some question here. BW equals 10. Let TC W equals 10 and delay. Okay, maybe they have one more blank. Let me try this again. Yes, so this is how they started. Well, and now it shows up. W equals 10, delay is 20 milliseconds, and link TC. Yeah, I think this is a little bit different like what I done before, I think. Let me close this for a new one. Yeah, we're gonna open a new terminal. Gonna using the same things here. Yeah, you can see this thing here. So we're gonna using h1 ping and -c10 and h2, and now we can see those things coming up. Yes, I think this is right. So with the time approaching, well, this is a little bit different like what I did in the labs. It shows up as almost like 20 milliseconds or 20 it's more almost like 80 milliseconds here, and approaching to 81 I think. Well, yes, and this is it. And we're gonna exit. So then we come to part C. So in part C, actually, we're gonna enter this file, and which is download. When we open this mininets and customs, we saw this .py files here. We're gonna open in terminals. Yeah, now we have a terminal. We're gonna enter the code they have been provided. It's a sudo n and to sw to host.py, and this is the file we need. And then test. Let me check that. Test ping all. Yeah, this is the. I think this is the command line. I'm gonna type it in. So cleaning up. Oh, maybe I forgot to close it. Let me do this again. What? Open file tuple sw to host. Oh, sorry, I entered the. I think I entered the wrong, the wrong dot here. It's gonna be this. Yes, you can see that here. I'm waiting to switch this to connect. And now it's complete. So this now has completed in the second. So we can see they have two hosts, H1 and H2, and these two switches, S3 and S4. And the host H1 is directly linked to switch S3, and the S3 is directly connected to S4. And the S4 is directly connected to H2. We can see it here. So thanks for listening, and this is the part for this is a demo part for part 2, computer communications. My name is Wang. Thanks for listening. Thank you.